During a flood in Russia, the supports of a road bridge started to erode. For several days, it hung on by a thread until it finally collapsed into the river.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we go, boys.
An industrial air conditioner unit was being transported in Oakland when the workers suddenly had to run for cover. As the helicopter lifted the truck-sized load, the cable snapped without warning. The unit plummeted 12 meters to the ground. crowd gathered in England to watch the demolition of the 78-meter-tall mining monolith. But that day, they left disappointed.
Oh my God.
In 2022, a flood of sewage water hit a construction site in Sao Paulo. The exact cause remains unknown, but soil erosion is the most likely explanation. This Japanese container ship set a record, though not the kind anyone would want. In November 2020, it was caught in a powerful storm, losing about 1,800 containers overboard, making it the worst incident of its kind.
Whoa! Oops. Oh, man. Wow.
This is why rushing a demolition job is never a good idea.
Oh.
can see why it was.
Oh, we don't have a barn.
This accident in London must have dumped a month's worth of precipitation onto this street.
Oh.
This 16-story building in Russia was built illegally, so authorities ordered its demolition. The first explosion only tilted the structure. And the second attempt also failed. But on the third try, the building finally collapsed. In the end, it took 400 kilograms of explosives to demolish it. The poorly executed demolition of a massive smokestack in Ohio caused it to fall onto power lines. It destroyed electrical equipment, startled nearby residents, and left 8,000 homes without power. In 2014, a tailings pond at the Mount Poly mine in Canada failed. The waste could have filled 10,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The unstable ground beneath the dam shifted, releasing 19 billion liters of waste. For unknown reasons, a dock in Uruguay started taking on water and the bow section flooded. This caused 2 cranes to collapse, one of which damaged a power cable. In the end, the dock was completely submerged. Miraculously, no one was hurt.
¡Te ponga debajo! Смотри на раму, насколько она толстая, она уже согнулась. Смотри.
Все, падай! Падай! Вот этого мы и боялись. Или не знаю. Капец.
А вдруг лопатами теперь кидать, да?
In 2014, this rocket was meant to deliver cargo to the... Residents of Little Rock were excited to see this 93-year-old bridge demolished, as it had structural problems. However, the old bridge was tougher than expected. It didn't budge after the explosion. In Russia in 2021, a river's water level rose significantly, preventing this barge from passing under a bridge. The vessel had to be freed and towed to a safe location, where the crew waited for the water level to drop.
Смотри, что-то побежал. Ударилось.
This construction project in China was abandoned in 2013, and in 2021, authorities decided to demolish the unfinished buildings. The Oroville Dam in California is still the tallest dam in the U.S. But that didn't stop a disaster in February 2017. Heavy rains raised water levels, overwhelming the spillway. It started to crumble, taking nearby rock formations with it. The evacuation affected 200,000 people. Imagine being in a small metal box on the 45th floor when a fire suddenly breaks out. Well, the operator of this crane in New York doesn't have to imagine. He lived through it. When he realized he couldn't put out the fire with an extinguisher, he evacuated. The flames spread, and eventually, the 16-ton load and the upper section of the crane collapsed to the ground, hitting a neighboring building.
Oh no! He got the whole thing! Oh, oh my god. You okay? Whoa! Jesus!
Bruce just got paid.
Dude, you got the money shot. The money shot. Oh.
These guys are all walking.
Bruce, you get that on Periscope?
No, I'm just getting it on regular video.
You got a regular video of that?
Yeah.
You gotta send it to everybody.
Man, I was...
This video was taken in Japan in 2023. A rocket engine blew up during a test. Luckily, no one was hurt.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಹಗ್ಗ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅಳ್ದಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹಗ್ಗ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ.
Back in 2009, the owners of this building were told to check its condition and make repairs. Cracks and structural problems were found repeatedly. In April 2023, the inevitable happened. A 3-story parking garage collapsed under the weight of the cars on the roof. These road cracks look serious, which is why all workers at this construction site in China were evacuated. Heavy rains caused the road to collapse, sending cubic meters of asphalt and soil into the pit. The incident happened off the coast of Angola. The rig hadn't started drilling yet, but the ground under its support started eroding all of a sudden, causing it to tilt. Water rushed onto the platform, and it sank to a depth of 40 meters. This blast furnace had just undergone major repairs, but as it was being prepared for operation, disaster struck. A massive surge of molten iron erupted. Fortunately, the crew reacted quickly and no one was injured. Есть, пошел. Живой, вроде живой. While docking in the Spanish port of Algeciras, a 101-meter container ship tipped onto its side. To get it back upright, workers first unloaded the vessel and then pumped out over 100 tons of fuel. This construction site in India seems to be jinxed. In 2024, the bridge collapsed for the third time since its construction started, and it hadn't even been used yet. They've been trying to build it since 2015, but something always goes wrong.
Holy Det gør det i hvert fald ikke.
The demolition of this old 52-meter silo had been planned for 6 months, but when the time came, it fell in the wrong direction, damaging a library.
Uh-oh.
A brake system failure is a problem, even for a small car, let alone a 400-ton piece of construction equipment. That's exactly what happened in this video, filmed in Venezuela. In 2024, a powerful 7.2 magnitude earthquake hit Taiwan. This building couldn't withstand the force and ended up leaning at a 45-degree angle.